PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
You're a bit too close to your body yourself. Being too close is not good looking. This toss. On a side spin ball, you shouldn't be too far, but it's also not good to be too close. Being too close is also not good for the stroke. How do you exert force, right? Just right. Right, you can't say your hand is stuck. Where should the pendulum serve focus on? Use your backhand to put pressure on him. Employ side spin variations to control. After I have these two landing points. It didn't hug the edge. This serves as a way to pressure, because his attention is on these two lines. He practices like this. He practices like this. Isn't it true that he lacks the concept of striking points? So when teaching kids to loop, you must tell them, the ball has its rising, high point, and descending phases. Early descending and mid to late descending phases. When we start learning to loop, I suggest that you ask the kids to loop during the mid to late descending phase, rather than rushing the rising phase. Of course, this avoids a pitfall. It must be from outer to inner. Kids will encounter this situation. Make him wait for your serve. And many coaches tell kids, lift it up. Lifting it up eventually leads to hitting down from below, using force to push the ball. Of course, this will also involve some rotation, but the direction of force is wrong. So we require them to wait until the mid to late descending phase, and still loop from outer to inner. When you start learning to loop, you must help them establish a habit of active friction and creating a curved trajectory. If he doesn't get up, yeah, his technique may look good. Often brings about this feeling. Isn't it true that even with training, once he masters it, he can perform on stage? Isn't this the case with everything? This is just training. This is pure training ball. When it comes to actual competition, right? Or the balls that kids spin themselves, they can't even find the ball. So you need to slow them down first. To be able to slow down, to create spin and curve on their own. Creating spin and curve, practicing like this. Until they are proficient, looping isn't difficult after all. Slightly earlier than the current rhythm. When the ball just lands at the high point, early descending phase. Using weight and upper body strength. Engage the hand to confront the ball. Feel like the ball is about to hit. Quickly at spin. It becomes very easy. This point is different from just gently lifting the ball. This basic loop. What's his underlying logic? It's a strong loop and a gentle high toss. Of course, you need to loop it. Do you want to loop it or not? Think about it. Watch carefully. This is a long loop. Isn't it just looping on your side of the table? Yes. This is just setting up. In the end, it didn't drop. It dropped on the other side of the table. This side of the table. Still. Yes, it's still about your footwork, you see? You simply can't control it. Your loop is fake, to put it plainly. Isn't looping easy? What's so difficult? Any changes in your hand. Without me, what's the only thing that changes? Your stomach has a pushing force. Isn't it just a collision at the top? Collide at the top. Collide at the top. Hand topspin is about hitting. I just didn't hit. Not hitting is quick. What are you doing? Friction. True contact with the ball is friction. I won't countertop his shot. Isn't this just lifted out? The rhythm is half a beat later than looping. Do I still have a clear pushing sensation? Anything else, or is that it? Friction, isn't this just lifting without contact? Right. What about the loop? Add a bit of stomach. I'd stomach a bit earlier. Isn't it just looping out? Any changes in your hand? Many people's hands deform when looping. Did you block with your shoulder? At first, you might not feel the blocking. I will deliberately lift your left foot. Step with your left foot. Who controls your footwork? Controlled by the stepping action. He lifted it slightly. He steps down. The step pushes it down. Isn't this blocking it? Right, of course. No need to deliberately step anymore. Do you see it like this? This way, you can block. But at first, you couldn't do it. When you step, won't you block correctly? Because the foot can't lift and drop by itself. It is controlled by the shoulder. Right, you can step now. Then you can block. Loop 2 times, okay. The loop should be earlier than the push or chop. It's the late hitting phase. Looping then transitions to the early hitting phase. The second one, the loop has a spin comeback. The action of blocking like that. Yes, only why? Then can you produce a deep sound. Can you block effectively? No, you can't block effectively. There won't be any friction. Right, that's why I always emphasize quickly contacting the ball. Quickly adding friction. This is the rhythm of the loop. The way to apply force in the loop. It's like a clock. The entry point is at 1 o'clock direction. Then the entry point is here. Ah, a flick. So why was serving with a hook motion called a flick before? Ha ha ha. Does it look like flicking out? It feels like holding a flick knife to flick the ball. Different parts of flicking. 11 o'clock for backspin, 12 o'clock for side topspin, arching at clock position. Isn't it a flick? All about flicking. Backspin. Side topspin. Arching. That's obvious. Slightly darker for hidden arching. Put a little effort into hidden arching. It's a bit like a pendulum short shot. Give it a touch. Disgusting.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.